Production Snowflake Challenge. Our contestants will have 3 minutes to cut out the best snowflake. 3, 2, 1. Go! Hey Coco. What was Jack Skellington's snowflake design?
I don't know.
Take a guess. Any guess?
I've seen that movie like 3 times. I have no idea.
Guess anything. I'll give you a hint. It's a bug.
It's a beetle.
No, it's a spider.
Oh my god.
Ryan, what's your favorite Christmas movie? That's not a movie.
I don't know.
Any
The Grinch.
Why?
I don't know. I don't even.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Reveal your snowflakes. It is now time to reveal the winner. Our first vote, Muira. For our second vote, Hunter. Our third, Ryan. Then we have Coco. And the winner is, for the millionth time in a row, Muira. Every time. Muira, what was your inspiration for this?
What?
What would you say to the losers to maybe make them beat you one day?
Go extra.
Go extra?
Yeah.
I figured you would be the one to know.
I'm sorry. I think you
Let me down.
live action or animated. If you had to watch one, which one?
Animated. Wait, no. Live action. Live action. Live action.
Okay, thank you, Ryan.
And also, since this is your third art challenge that you've won, what's it like to never lose?
I feel really good, you know? Better than all these others.